guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be sharing with you guys a brand new phone theme. So I do have a really cute phone theme for you guys. It is super nice, super cute for this month. I really like it, really enjoy it, so I'm happy to be sharing with you guys. Remember, it is free. If you guys like to make your phones cute, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, all of the above. And I will be making more videos because I love decorating my phone. I love sharing with you guys. I love finding all of these cute wallpapers, and of course for free. So if you guys want to enjoy more videos of mine, then stay tuned and keep on watching. I want to share with you guys my lashes that I'm wearing right now. So I am wearing self-love lashes because we love ourselves here, and this is like that everyday super pretty lash that can be for like that night out, that date, that everyday look. So check it out. I will leave it down in the description bar, and if you guys want to check out my shop or check out my website, completely free to do, I will leave all that information down below.
Alright, so this is the phone theme, and that is the creator right there. So cute. Here is how the lock screen looks like. So we just have a little pastry roll with a little unicorn on top, rainbow, stars, the moon, and these little icons are super cute. I just love how simple and cute it is. It is a white backdrop. And I like how it makes it look nice, clean, and crisp. And then when you open it up, it looks like this. We just have the same little image with the little unicorn. And then look at these little icons. They're so cute. Love the way they look with this whole phone theme aesthetic. And then these are how the home screen looks like. Calculator, just the email, the camera, the gallery is a little rainbow. The icons are just perfect on this theme, and then the folders turn into this pastel colorful colors, and then this is how the overall look is. And then once I swipe down, it's just a purple, and I swipe up, let me show you guys the calculator. It's just a pastel purple, different hues. Then we have the calendar, and the calendar looks like this. It's just purple as well. Love that. And then we have the messaging. The messaging looks like this. So there's just pastel purple and lavender and pink colors, and the keyboard is also a purple color. Super cute, super purple, purple letters. And then we have the phone. The phone is also a lavender purple color. Always on display is also the same image. Really pretty, really nice. These are the wallpapers that I'll be using. So this is a unicorn aesthetic as well, with the shooting star, the planets, pink backdrop with clouds and stars, and a little rainbow. Unicorn is on a little cloud, which I think is super adorable. It looks really well with this overall look. And then I just found this really nice aesthetic wallpaper. It has stars with pastel colors and a pink background as well, and I feel like it looks really well with the icons and the images. So this is how it looks like before applying it, and this is how the lock screen looks like before applying it as well. And then I'll just be setting this as my wallpapers, and I'll show you guys. So this is how it looks like. The overall look is super perfect because it looks really well with all of the icons, and the applications just stand out very well. And then it also matches like just the whole phone theme, and as well as the lock screen really matches really well. I love the aesthetic and how cute and girly it looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.